How to schedule a post on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, you'll find what's on your mind at the top. Click on it. In here, click on photo or video and select what you want to post. After you've selected, you can add caption and press on next at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these options in here. Click on scheduling options, which is the third option. Then click on schedule for later, which is the second option. Then you'll find date. Select the date you want to schedule for and press on OK. Also select time and OK. Then go back and click on post at the top right corner of your screen. After you have posted this, it will post automatically on your schedule, date, and time. And this is how to schedule a post on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.